Driver Mark blows the whistle and slows for the Dungeness Road level crossing, close to the lifeboat station. We're glad to say this windy, wet weather will improve later. Dr. Sin's whistle comes from former LNER Pacific Loco, Dominion of Australia, an amusing connection with the Howie family, who made their fortune in Australia. A little later, Hurricane, now on the return to New Romney, continues round the loop against the dramatic backdrop of the nuclear power station. Dungeness A was a Magnox power station with twin nuclear reactors, first connected to the national grid in 1965. In 2006, the A reactors ceased power generation and were decommissioned. Dungeness B began operations in 1983 and will also close by 2018. The following day, Green Goddess is dressed for a very special event. Basil the Bug's Fun Family Weekend. Driver Andy Nash coaxes the Bug out of the engine shed to prepare it for a starring role. The Bug first came to the railway as the constructor's engine in 1926 and was built by Krauss of Munich. Basil the Bug departs on the 5-minute journey to Warren Holt. With twin tracks, the shuttle is able to fit in neatly between the main timetabled services. The leading carriage has a guard who also acts as a lookout when the Bug is propelling the train from the back. This special coach has a cab window, windscreen wiper, whistle and emergency brake for the guard. The Bug arrives for a short stay at Warren Holt before returning to New Romney. Andy will be checking his speed shortly for the approaching level crossing. At Dymchurch station we pause to pick up more passengers. Andy watches for the right of way. Now for some dramatic views of Northern Chief pulling away from Dymchurch.
Great day. New Welsh coal. Fantastic.
The end of another busy day, and the locomotives are in the engine shed for the night. Gala time!